In this video, learn how to build AI agents using LangChain and Python, a crucial skill for automating complex decision-making processes in AI applications.
Have you ever wondered how AI systems make decisions? Welcome to our tutorial on building AI agents using LangChain and Python. Today, we're diving into a skill that's transforming industries, automating complex decision-making with AI agents. LangChain offers a powerful framework for this purpose. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and deploy basic AI agents, making you more proficient in AI development. Stick around to discover the steps to setting up your environment and overcoming common challenges. LangChain is a game changer in the realm of AI development. But what exactly is it? LangChain provides a comprehensive framework for building AI agents that can process language and make decisions. It's used across various industries, from healthcare to finance, to enhance AI capabilities. By integrating LangChain into your Python projects, you can streamline processes and improve decision-making efficiency. We'll explore real-world applications and show you how LangChain is making a significant impact in the AI field. Before you can harness the power of LangChain, you need to set up your Python environment correctly. We'll walk you through the essentials, including the required libraries and dependencies. Follow our step-by-step guide to install LangChain smoothly. If you encounter any issues, we've got troubleshooting tips to help you out. By the end of this block, you'll have a fully prepared development environment, ready to build your first AI agent.
LangChain's architecture is designed for flexibility and power. It consists of several key components, each playing a vital role in building AI agents. We'll break down these components, explaining their functions and how they interact to form a cohesive system. Understanding this modular design is crucial for creating efficient AI agents that can handle complex decision-making processes. Join us as we explore the inner workings of LangChain and its core components.
Now it's time to put theory into practice. We'll guide you through creating your first AI agent using LangChain. Starting from scratch, we'll code a basic agent, test its functionality, and debug any issues that arise. By the end of this block, you'll have a working AI agent, ready to take on simple tasks. This hands-on experience is invaluable for reinforcing your understanding and building confidence in your skills.
LangChain's power can be amplified by integrating it with other Python libraries. We'll explore techniques and best practices for seamless integration. Discover libraries that enhance AI agent performance and how they can complement LangChain's capabilities. By the end of this block, you'll know how to maximize LangChain's potential, creating more robust and efficient AI agents. Developing with LangChain can present challenges, but fear not. We'll highlight common issues developers face and provide effective solutions. Learn from the community's experiences to avoid common pitfalls and enhance your problem-solving skills. This block is designed to empower you with the knowledge to tackle challenges head-on, ensuring a smoother development journey.
Efficiency is key in LangChain development. We'll share time-saving tips and strategies to optimize your code for performance. Learn how to maintain clean and readable code, crucial for collaboration and future maintenance. We'll also guide you on leveraging LangChain's extensive documentation for continuous learning and improvement. By adopting these best practices, you'll become a more proficient and efficient developer.
Testing is a critical phase in AI agent development. We'll discuss the importance of thorough testing and methods to ensure your AI agent functions as intended. Learn how to debug and refine your agent for optimal performance. By the end of this block, you'll be equipped to ensure your agent's reliability and readiness for deployment, a crucial step in any AI project.
With testing complete, it's time to deploy your AI agent. We'll guide you through the steps for a successful deployment, including choosing the right platform and scaling your agent for more users. Learn how to monitor and maintain your agent to ensure continuous improvement post-deployment. By the end of this block, you'll be ready to launch your AI agent into the real world, marking a significant milestone in your AI development journey. Congratulations on completing your journey to building AI agents with LangChain. We've covered everything from setup to deployment. Remember, practice makes perfect, so continue exploring and experimenting with what you've learned. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any challenges you overcame. Share your feedback in the comments and let us know what advanced topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Together, let's continue mastering the art of AI development.